It's Ford Focus 165, and today we're going to be filming some nature. And here's the reason. Some of you guys suggested I should do nature. And even on the video before the 50 subscribers special and 200 video. Yeah, someone said if you like the animals, flowers, trees, and stuff. So, if you're looking for nature, you're in luck. And the reason I'm in my coat because earlier today, even in the afternoon, it was like 68 degrees, but right now it's 56. But still warm with my coat. So, before I do nature, I'm going to show you my bike. Here's my bike. Really nice. Well, actually, some people say that the bike is good for environment since cars have exhaust fume, but I like both, definitely. So for this video as a feature, I displayed my bike on the driveway. But let's get started in nature. Okay, so we're getting started on the nature. See a lot of flowers there. Sorry, the neighbors are probably having a good time partying. But there's some red and green leaves combined together, but gotta be careful of this because there's forms. I call these flowers daisies. I think they're mostly daisies, but they look nice. Nice tree, pretty tall. Now this looks really beautiful because it has bloomed tons of flowers. Yep, that's right, they're all over the tree. That's really nice. There are 3 of these tall trees in our yard. Over there, there's twins. But this one's by itself with some nice green leaves if you take a view. Actually, used to climb these rocks when I was little. I'm going to climb one of them, but not this one. It's pretty hard and has a puddle in it. But I will be climbing on one of the rocks and make a pose. This pack, there are 2 of them in the backyard. And it's not completely green. There's some red in it too. You'll see more of them on the second plant. Nice. See rocks as nature. Try to but actually it does make a decoration. Now we're at one of the twins. And actually, the twins actually once had red needles, but they're really soft now and they're scattered on the ground. The second twin, and maybe first twin as well, but it looks like a major city down here. But anyway, this tree looks nice with green now. I think that's from the fall. Just discovered a hole there. No, those pointy pens. Here's the second one, and this one's more common for the red ones. Actually, if you like pet them carefully, they won't hurt, but it only hurt if you like touch the point, so you gotta be careful of this plant. So that's really nice. More wheat. If you dig all the wheat from here, I just call it wheat. I'm not sure where it is, but it'll make a big hole. Now here's I was talking about that there's a major city of red needles. Tons of them. But as you can see, the second tree looks the same. More daisies. Walk nature. I don't know, but this looks nice if you off-road. Like if you go off-roading. There's some moth. Actually, some tiny creatures live in moth. Do you know that? They're really nice. It doesn't come off, but they feel really soft. That's nice. Here's the rock that I would climb on and make a nice statue pose. Ta-da! Yeah, I was going to make a nice pose. These rocks take me back on memories. And if you go here, there's another small deep hole. It's really deep, but small. That's cool. Over here, it looks like ladies dressed in a Hawaii. I mean, all this grass just got trimmed. Well, some of them are still pretty tall. But I don't think this area will never get trimmed. It's going to be impossible. But don't worry, the yard will never look like a jungle. Actually, here's a fact. But our house, more moth, has a huge yard. Yep, where I'm standing is actually still our yard. You can see our house from here. Have to go just a little bit first to get on the other yard. That's really nice. Nice looking. Ooh, there's a lot of moths, so a lot of creatures might have been leaving there. Ooh, just stepped on it. It's moth, so it won't come off really. I don't think this area will ever get trimmed either. So there's still some concerned areas that might never get trimmed, but the yard is still nice and even. I'll finish some of it down there and then eventually film the front. That's the last daisies we're going to see. Last pair. And so here's the end of the backyard garden. But yeah, there's still going to be some things that we're just going to film at the front yard. So I'll resume when I get there. So we're at the front yard now. Still some tall grass. There's actually more daisies. See these again. There's something new to the video. Oh, this looks really nice. Actually, when I was trying to attempt, little bumblebee was there. I guess that's where their pollen is, because it looks like this plant has a lot of pollen. This looks like a palm tree from Hawaii. It's this grow there. I don't think it's from Hawaii, but it looks like it. More leaves, yellow, and tons of red. Too many daisies there. And more wheat. I just say wheat. Ooh la la. I spotted some pine cones. as I go along to the front yard. You can see, nice garden. Here's a nice tree. Another of these. And it's in the front yard this time though. This looks really nice. And that. I'm taking my time because it's just how nature is. That's probably the tallest wheat. Or whatever we say. Really nice. It's actually other nature in other yards. Just making quick shots for a second. But yeah, that's the nature that we just suggested. You guys suggested it. But yeah, we're back where we started, and I think this was a great nature video. So yeah, you may like this video, comment in the box below, and you may subscribe. Bye!